put on this earth today. Heard some people acting crazy over something strange. Others be paying for diamonds that they can't afford, just to keep up the appearance for a Polaroid. All I see is something crazy I don't understand. Ladies making babies just to keep a man. Fellas chasing Stellas when they got a Pam. They go from Stephanie to Bethany, from definitely to never be. So oh, how does it feel? That's what they say. Ooh, must be insane. Oh yeah. Somebody has gotta tell me, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It goes timeline, swipe right, deep like 5 times. Don't know what it sounds like, but someone told me it's a little Marvin with some candlelight. A little ocean on the weekend with a can of Sprite. I mean, I love him white. Ooh, love is such a mystery. I'm so perplexed by all the things my eyes have let me see. People think that love is things like physicality, when in reality it's meant to hold you down like gravity. How does it feel to be loved? That's what they say. Oh my, must be insane. Oh yeah, how does it? How does it feel? How does it feel? Yeah. Hey. Oh, it goes like, you see now how I'm supposed to find love if I don't understand love? How am I supposed to feel love? And if I have to buy love, then I don't really want love. If this is what it means, the fighting and the screams, you want dependency, I need sincerity. Oh, hey. I gotta know, I ain't too sure. Somebody